Reyna Corona. Pagpapakilala sa kanila, tanging mga reyna na magaganda ating ipapakilala sa gabi nito. Kaya naman abangan. Hi, my name is Jen Cabalagera and welcome to Rock the Past. From year 1980s to mid-90s, naging home of the Vietnamese refugees ang Morocco. Nawala na ng mga Vietnamese sa aming lugar, but they left us with some of their team. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga restaurant that serve ng Vietnamese dishes. Halina, samahan niyo kung Kalolem Food Soup. For almost 3 decades, Lolem Food Soup continued to serve authentic Vietnamese dishes like Hugh, banh mi, butik ng spring rolls for a very affordable price. Kaya patataga sa mga tourists and even locals ay mga sarap talaga siya. Masarap talaga. Kung magagawin sa bayan ko, tara na at magsusuka. This is January Cabalagero and see you on Miss International with Philippines 2024.
Panggaring mga tuwalay Paskuget di Pampanga buuy ang banwa. Parula ka kasabit ka ng balea o iskinita lakwandasan lakanta. Ingkabang bagat siyawan suma ng mga niyaman abe-abe ng tagsadyan na kaming tunay kakamalan. Eriyarin ka kalungan bagirulak ya kaming anana. King barang ilo, limas-masan kang pagana. Simple ang mga Paskong Kapampangan, inulugod ang parang yabe yung tunay kabandugan. Hindi kami kapaskuan, alayang kapupusan. Pangaras kay kasal kang kayanan ng Pampangan, kami ay lakwan. Pasko nga po, Paskong yani, Pasko bukas. Nang manindarlan hindi, kaya kami ang nalabasan. Hanggang kay kasakitan, may likang katinyas. Uling Paskong Kapampangan, yain kaya kami sikanan.
Yes, international, with Philippines. Yes, international, with Philippines.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality.
Ako po Emiel Marie Garcia, malaos kayo po king syudad ng Angeles at pekaman niya manasisigan, kaya king kaming syudad. Minsan Yaldo ay nasasari ang alam Muslim na asilab din ibuntok ng iba. Kaya kultura ng Pilipino, paniwalang tao na impawa ng sa pamangan netong iyang kasalanan. Anya tintara na ipiking mga lati sa mata namin kalamansi ang pong sibuyas. Naningaling Lusing, ipemabayo ng minuto. At uling manyaman niya, sinabi ng hikay ang sarili. Mag-umpisa ngini, iawas ko kayo from sisig.
My love for cooking and the dedication to nourishing my family resonates with Alusing's passion for creating delicious dishes.
It is the love and effort that we put in that make our dishes special. Takal po, salamat.
Festival sa Philippines. Tara na, kung saan sa Content naman, babalik pa siya.
Among the treasure of our beloved city stand the majestic Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine, a sanctuary of peace and divine ways. Opened in 1965, this sacred grotto has been a beacon of hope for thousands of pilgrims who journey here to offer prayers, flowers, and candles, seeking solace and spiritual fulfillment. And while you're here, include your senses in the delectable flavors of our own rustic delicacies, crafted with love and tradition passed down through generations. Each bite tells a story of our vibrant culture and culinary harmony.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag of right and break it down.
This feeling with so much familiarity, yet its essence eludes definition. It's a home the structure that shelters us from the elements, or is it something more profound? For me, home is where the heart finds its freedom. Representing the salad bowl of the Philippines. Welcome to the picturesque province of Benguet. After a working day as a remote real estate assistant, I found solace in refreshing and immersing myself in nature through the leisurely strolls amidst our breathtaking mountains. And when hunger beckons, I'm thankful for the delightful area of the local favorites easily accessible right here in my hometown. Let me tour you around Benguet's capital, my home, La Trinidad. Benguet is a top producer of highland veggies. Let's visit the first of its kind trading hub for fresh produce, offering great prices, and peek at how it all works. Join me as I illuminate the countless reasons why we should be honored and serving proudly contained around Benguet.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. breath boundary. Should we raise the voices of our community?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Luzon!
Should we raise discrimination? No one else can never break down the woman I have become. This international with Philippines, beauty and wisdom and chastity. This international with Philippines, wisdom and hearts inspiring. Blessings from all the matters. Promise to set you proud. Shine on me, stay on me.
International with Philippines.
We walk together and conquer everything. As we are full of colors, let's go from within. Spread the love, true compassion, raise above discrimination. No one else can never break down the winner we have become. This international with Philippines, beauty and wisdom and chastity. This international with Philippines, wisdom and hearts inspiring. Blessings from all the powers. Promise to set you proud. Shining away, sliding away our wings. This international with Philippines.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Luzon, together with our Queen Nurse and the National Director, Michelle Montecarlo.
International with Philippines.
I can be whatever I speak
Of Visayas!
together and conquer everything. As we are full of colors, let's go from within.
Good morning again from the breathtaking central region of the Philippine Archipelago, the home of the beauty queens. Iba ang tubig sa Visayas. Di ba, Gazini? Presenting to you the Miss International Queen Philippines Visayas Queens. Here they are.
Pinalagatong Pilipinas. Bagong inyo, kita-kits. Ang ngayon ko ay Isabella Alfaro Bonifacio Fox, yung Miss International Queen Visayas. Tara, sa atin. Ganito kami sa clan. Ang pangalan ko po ay Isabella Alfaro Bonifacio Fox. Pinanganak sa isla ng Boracay sa Aklan. Lumaki sa gandang natural ng kalikasan at yaman ng probinsya. Or what we say, humble beginnings sa wikang Ingles. When you become you become your own power. This is my story. Hi guys! Come with me and let us discover the hidden gems of Victoria State. One way to beat the heat this summer is to go where the land meets the sea. Don't ever forget to book Victoria City regardless. Victoria City's public plaza is a historical space where its people gather for civic, commercial, and religious reasons, and was especially for recreational activities. People go here to meet, have fun, do service, and most especially eat seafood.
I can be whatever I aspire to be. 'Cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break it down. I love singing.
This is Hanson Domingo, your Miss International Queen Visayas. Honor now, Master Visayas, from the Queen Queen of Visayas, sa Girl City. Cebu City, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, is also home to some of the most delicious and unique dishes in the Philippines. Today, I'll take you on a culinary journey to a famous dish in the city, Pusto Buwa. Pusto Buwa is made by cooking pig's brain in a pot with pork, garlic, onions, and spices. It's then served with a mix of chopped garlic, onion, and chili, which is then dipped into boiling sauce. This dish is typically eaten with puso or honey rice, a staple food in Cebu. It's a unique and delicious experience that you won't find anywhere else.
Join me as I revisit and rediscover my beloved province in my home, Cebu. Where every turn reveals a new vista, a new experience. Immerse yourself in rich tapestry of Filipino heritage. Indulge in unique culinary aesthetics. Explore natural wonders. And plan your next adventure. Cebu is a place of never-ending discovery of beauty and joy. Kini ang akong pagkaong umapulong probinsya sa Cebu.
I can be whatever I aspire to be. 'Cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the
Explore, experience, enjoy the beautiful Northern Samar. Northern Samar is a province of the Philippines in Samar Island that is a phenomenal tourist spot. In the silent sands of the province lies the promising tourism destination known to many videos of stunning places to visit. Come with me and enjoy Northern Samar. I believe we're heading to San Vicente, Northern Samar, Beach. This is Roxanne Trogon, proud to represent Northern Samar.
Pilipinas hanggang sa Pinipili ang iyong pagkakapagka.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Queen of Visayas, together with our Regional Director, Mikey Andre, and our National Director, Michelle Monte Carlo.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break the boundaries. Surely raise
Of Mindanao.
Buenos dias, isang magandang umaga mula dito sa Madrid, Spain. I'm Marlon Vergara, the Regional Director of National Capital Region. Bakit nga ba dapat sa National Capital Region pumunta ako? I have 3 important reasons.
I can be whatever.
Muli tayo nga pagabot sa among natapong nga syudad, the city of Coronadal. I am Sheila Magpay III, and I am whisking you away to a place where comfort and beauty meets nature in perfect harmony. The Farm at Carpenter Hill. Look at this hotel. With its worthy architectural design, it's like something straight out of a dream. And kung gusto niyo maglangoy-langoy, the swimming pool here is the ultimate chill spot, surrounded by all this natural beauty. Check this out! Bali-inspired facade. It's like stepping into a whole new world of charm and tranquility. Need a space for your big event? Look no further than our convention center, gazebo hall, and the biggest fiesta hall. Kahit kung ginagutom na, the restaurant here is an absolute delight for your taste buds. So dali na, mag-blackout ta sa The Farm at Carpenter Hill. Seriously, every corner of this place is an Instagrammer's dream come true. Of course, maraming lugar na balik-balikan. Sa naman ako, of course, masasarap na pagkain namin dito. Tara, kain tayo. Sa naman ako, of course, we celebrate Malayan Festival. Sa naman ako, of course, magkakaroon kami. Sa naman ako, of course, magkakaroon kami. Niya, Marie, Balanta, Similatan, Timuot na Mandaya, Garbo na nalang, Province of Davao Oriental.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break the boundaries. Surely raise the voices of our community.
Sanchez España, the Department of Capital
Journey with me as I unveil the traces of my diverse hobby and freedom with his diversely as trend. Difference is a reason to connect. This is what makes Iligan a place for one to visit, but a place for one to celebrate. Yes,
This is Davao del Sur. Nestled in the southern part of the Philippines, Davao del Sur is a province working with natural wonders, vibrant culture, and thrilling adventures. This land weaves together the threads of history and culture into a mesmerizing portrait that captivates the soul. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a nature lover, Davao del Sur's landscape promise an unforgettable experience. In the hustle and bustle of modern life exists a sanctuary of peace and serenity. Davao del Sur is a home where harmony and tranquility is a gift of nature. This is also Davao del Sur. My home, my paradise.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'm away the flag alright, and breath boundary.
Madayaw na pagkabuhan sa Davao Oriental. Welcoming you to the Philippine Sunrise capital of the Philippines. The wonders giving clean, fresh air to every visitor. Sweet, take a sip of coffee while glancing at the overlooked view of Silicon Dinosaur, brings my sight to the enormous beauty of nature. But wait, you can't visit our souvenirs before living as a remembrance when you visit us. A guest taken into the sea after the food trip is to go on a surfing party with a mountain of waves at Tahica Beach. Not only that, we celebrate our famous Santos delicacies made by our artistic laborers. Truly want to celebrate the majestic artistry, culture, and people who cultivate leadership with high morals. This is what we have in Davao Oriental. One proud moment to bring to everyone's table from the Philippines to the international arena. Salamat kayo.
Pilipinas, ang
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag of right and break the boundaries. Surely raise the voices of all communities. Spread the love and true compassion. Discrimination, no words can never break down. And the one I become. This international Philippines.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Mindanao, together with our National Director, Miss Michelle Montecarlo. A queenly warning, ladies and gentlemen. Calabarzon is an acronym for the 5 prominent and pasabog provinces: Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. And since Calabarzon is the heart of the Philippines, I, together with my franchise holder, Mr. Wayne Renzo, choose a queen not only physically appealing, morally upright, financially able, intellectually updated, but of course, spiritually prepared. Ladies and gentlemen, with our hashtag, walang tapon sa Calabarzon, and because of that, sa Calabarzon, ang corona ay puputo. I present to you the queens na dapat turunahan kung ang hanap nyo ay reyna na muling magbabalik ng corona sa Pilipinas.
sa bayan ng Lemery. Pagitan ng mga kagandang kasaysayan, sumisimbolo ang bulaklak ng kultura at sining. Naglalaro sa hangin at dinig ng pananampalataya at pagpapahalaga. Ang mga kasaysayan simbahan ng San Roque ay isang talang ng panahon at nagpapahayag ng di mabilang ng kwento ng pag-asa at pagtutunan. Sa bawat yapak sa lupa ng Lemery, ang tanawin ay sarangin ng nakaraan at lihim ng hiwaga ng kasalukuyan. Ang magsasaka at mayangisda, tagapagpadala ng buhay at ginhawa ay mga alagad ng kalikasan. Patuloy na nag-aalay ng biyaya at pag-asa sa bawat yugto ng paglalakbay ng bayan.
This is Arab Hatchet, Buwan-Buwan, kumakatuwad sa magiting na bayan ng Lego.
Hi, this is Rosna, and welcome to my hometown, Kainta, province of Rizal. Welcome to Kainta, a gem in the heart of Rizal, offering a unique blend of historical charm and modern vibrancy. Experience our rich cultural heritage in the annual Scientific Festival, a vibrant celebration of our famed delicacies, Suman Bibingka at Labuto. Visit the history, Our Lady of Light Parish, a symbol of our enduring faith and resilience. Savor the taste of traditional and local culinary landmark like Aling Kikas of Lourdes, Bibingka. Join us in Kainta, where every corner tells a story of resilience, progress, and a deep-seated love for our beloved town.
Dear Queen Althea, sa isang magandang araw sa Kamay ng Jesus dito sa Quezon Province, doon ko unang nakita si Mateo. Saan di naasahang pangyayari ay nabangga niya ako. Tila isang eksena sa pelikula kung saan nag-slow motion ang lahat sa paligid ko. Doon nagsimula ang aming kwento. Napakasaya ng araw na iyon sapagkat inimbitahan niya akong libutin ang Quezon Province at subukan ang mga sarap na pagkain dito. Pinagsaluhan namin ang Katsitapha, Localisan Lumpa at Lupin. Hindi ko palilimutan ang mga lugar na aming pinuntahan gaya ng Malabundong, Tubisan San, Macapaya Hills at marami pang iba. Dumating ang panahon na pag-alis ni Mateo. Ngunit nananatili sa aking puso ang paniniwalang babalik siya. Sapagkat ang Quezon Province ay hindi lang isang lugar. Ito'y lugar na aming tahanang pagsasamahan. Let me show you the beautiful place of Luma
pumapasok sa isip natin kapag nababanggit ang pangalan Jose Rizal.
Kalamba, tuyan ng bayan ng pagbansa. Ako po si Alo Juan at ito ang kwento ng aming kasinlatan. Ang Kalamba o Tabayang Puti ay isang munisipalidad mula taong 1770 at naging ganap na lungsod noong taong 2001 ngunit hindi kalayuan sa kanilang mansyon ang dalubasarang lungsod ng Kalamba, City College of Kalamba. Hindi lang sa kalaman at kasaysayan kami mayaman dahil sa tanyag ang aming lugar bilang resort capital of the Philippines. Sa higit 250 taon ay sumunod kami patungo sa kinabukasan na hindi ko makalimot sa aming lahat. Sapagkat ang modernisasyon na kaalalay ng tradisyon ay ang kapangyarihan ng evolusyon.
Once again, the queen of Calabar Song. Together with our national director, Miss Michelle Monte Carlo.
Buenos Dias, isang magandang umaga mula dito sa Madrid, España. I'm Marlon Vergara, the Regional Director of National Capital Region. Bakit nga ba dapat sa National Capital Region mapunta ako? I have 3 important reasons why. Number 1, we're prepared and committed. In all aspects, ready po kami. Second, beauty. My queens are beautiful inside and out. A good character or attitude is really important sa isang queen. And also, physically, dapat maganda. Because this is a beauty pageant after all. And pangatlo, marketability. Miss International Team Philippines is still a business, so we want someone na makakapagbigay at makakaakit ng different brands. And I would just like to introduce my 6 beautiful and wonderful queens: Raisa Aguilon, Yuki Roque, Asia Mariano, Julian Charlie Concepcion, Casey Paculan, and Didi Hedenda. Sa amin ng Corona, hashtag sa NCR ang kokoronahan.
Quezon City, Victoria, Aram. can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break the boundaries. Surely raise the voices.
Canada. I'm a fashion model, a student, a product endorser, and an advocate for gender expression in education. Tara, natin ang klase.
The city of Pasig is a first-class, highly urbanized city composed of 30 barangays with 2 legislative districts found in the National Capital Region. It's no surprise that my city is one of the hottest spots for commercial and residents, one of the richest cities in the Philippines. Also, one popular attraction in my city is Capitoline, known for its hole-in-the-wall restaurants for every budget. Tara, kain tayo!
Manifest city reflects all mankind, fun, loving, and lots of stories inside.
My name is Casey Bañez Pakulan. I am your Miss International Twin Philippines, Quezon City.
I couldn't think of a better place to go for a budget-friendly houseware items than the Dapitan Arcade. Located at the corner of Dapitan and Canlaon Streets in Quezon City, Dapitan Arcade is your little treasure trove of diverse home accessories and furnishings.
Prices of the goods here may vary, and of course it is advisable for you to go around the arcade first to scour for the things that you need and compare price points. What sets the Dapitan Arcade apart is its wide array of surprises, including antique finds and one-of-a-kind pieces that showcase the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Again, my name is Casey Bañez Pakulan, and welcome to my city, Quezon
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave that flag alright and break the boundaries. Surely raise the voices of our community. Spread the love and true compassion. Rise above discrimination.
Hello, MIQPH. This is Yuki Roque and welcome to the city of Malabon.
Binting ng iyong puso sa isang tabi. Dahil sa langit ng lupang hinihirap, tatanaw ang kulay at pulis na kalatawa. Promise na kayo maging nagagala sa tamang pagkakala sa hindi lang diniliwang ang kalamunin. Isip-isip lang ang tunay na magiging. Isa na lang namin
the greatest city, Pasig City. Pasig is the home to our various parks and green spaces, providing residents with recreational areas and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Pasig City boasts cultural and historical sites, such as the Immaculate Conception Cathedral and the Bahay ni Pisa, an ancestral house showcasing Filipino-Spanish architecture.
Cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break it down.
Once again, the Queen of NCR. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of NCR, together with Mr. Don Gomez and our National Director, Miss Michelle Montecarlo.
Cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break the boundary. Surely raise the voices of all communities. Spread the love and through compassion, rise above discrimination.
Thank you so much, our Queen of NCR. And now, Yuru!
Ciao Pilipinas, mabuhay! This is Yumi Garcia, 23, born and raised in the Philippines. When I was young, I have always wanted to travel and see the world, to explore different places, food, people, and culture. My adventure led me to 39 different countries. I was mesmerized by the beauty of the world. But in my heart, nothing beats the Philippines. Our beautiful islands and natural resources, our hospitality and pride. I, being a Filipino, for that, we have the best to offer. Wherever I go, I will always keep coming back
Iñada is a journey of discovery, of spiritual awakening, and of cultural immersion. But Catholic tourism is more than just a pilgrimage. It is an opportunity to experience the vibrant life and traditions of the faithful. And amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, Catholic tourism offers moments of tranquility and reflection. So join us on a journey of faith, culture, and discovery. Experience the timeless treasures of Catholic tourism and embark on an adventure that will nourish your soul and enrich your spirit.
I can be whatever I aspire to be, 'cause I was born with power to seize equality. I'll wave the flag alright and break the boundaries. Surely raise the voices of our communities. Spread the love and true compassion. Raise above discrimination. This can never break down. This is a nation we feel the peace. Beauty and its much as light. This is a nation we feel the peace. Let's get the works of this vibrate. Let's teach all the battles. Promise to save the brother.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Europe.
As we walk together and conquer everything. As we are full of others, strong from within. Spread the love, true compassion. Raise above discrimination. No else can never break down the winner we have become. This is a nation we feel the peace. Beauty and its much as light. This is a nation we feel the peace. Let's get the works of this vibrate. Let's teach all the battles.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Europe. Together with our National Director, Miss Michelle Montecarlo.
I can be whatever I aspire to be.